how to track PandaBuy. If you have got a certain PandaBuy order, you ordered from overseas or international shipping, you want to track your PandaBuy order. Now, within the app itself, if you're not finding the option, normally you can go within the app, go to your account and orders and get your tracking number. And you can track a PandaBuy package using the tracking number on the shipping label or confirmation email. You can enter the tracking number into the tracking tool on the courier's website. So depending upon which courier there is for your order, you have to find the tracking number, go to the courier or the shipping company's website, enter the tracking number into the tracking tool, and then you'll be able to track your package. Otherwise, you can use a third-party tracking service called 17Track. So you can simply go to your search bar and simply go ahead and then type in 17Track right here. So let me just go ahead and then type that in. You can use this third-party tool where you can simply enter your packaging details and hit the track button to track your shipping details. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.